Whether you're a family-oriented driver, a daily commuter, or an adventurer at heart, the midsize SUV segment in 2026 has never been stronger. These vehicles offer a powerful blend of space, comfort, technology, reliability, and capability, without the penalties of a full-size SUV. Today, we're covering the top 7 midsize SUVs to own in 2026, and we'll dive into what makes each one worthy of your consideration, from practicality and comfort to driving dynamics and value retention. Let's get started. Number 7, Škoda Kodiaq. Starting off our list at number 7 is the Škoda Kodiaq, a midsize SUV that's often overlooked in markets dominated by Toyota, Honda, and Korean brands, but deserves attention nonetheless. Why the Kodiaq makes the list? The Škoda Kodiaq is a European contender built with practicality and intelligent design at its core. It's one of the few midsize SUVs that offers a true 3-row configuration without feeling cramped. Third-row seating here is usable by adults, something many competitors struggle to achieve. Škoda has built its reputation on smart packaging and value-driven features, and the Kodiaq carries that tradition forward. You get sharp European handling, a refined suspension setup, and a cabin that, while not flashy, is functional, ergonomic, and surprisingly upscale for the price. Inside, thoughtful storage, straightforward infotainment, and sensible materials make daily driving a pleasant experience. Whether it's school-run duties or weekend road trips, the Kodiaq stands up well to real-world family demands. Strengths: true third-row seating for families, European ride quality and handling dynamics, smart interior layout with above-average cargo flexibility. It's best for drivers who want a practical, well-engineered midsize SUV with European driving character and family-friendly versatility. Number 6, Ford Explorer. At number 6 is one of the most recognizable names in the midsize SUV segment, the Ford Explorer. Why the Explorer makes the list? The Explorer has long been a bestseller in the midsize SUV world, and its 2026 iteration builds on a legacy of performance, space, and capability. It's a vehicle that knows what it is, a versatile everyday SUV with robust towing capacity and family-ready dimensions. Whether you choose the efficient base engine or step up to one of the more powerful V6 options, the Explorer delivers confident acceleration and ample highway passing power. With available all-wheel drive and a terrain management system, it can handle light off-road conditions and challenging weather with composure. Inside, the Explorer impresses with generous seating for 5 adults, an optional third row for up to 7. Infotainment is modern with intuitive controls, and safety tech is abundant, including advanced driver assistance systems that help make daily driving less stressful. Strengths: roomy interior and flexible seating, strong towing and capability options, mature driver assist tech suite. It's best for drivers who want a balanced midsize SUV that can tow, carry a family comfortably, and remain confident in diverse driving conditions. Number 5, Honda Passport. Landing at number 5 is the Honda Passport, a rugged, no-nonsense midsize SUV that takes the everyday and makes it a little more adventurous. Why the Passport makes the list? The Honda Passport takes the practicality and reliability Honda is famous for and adds a dose of outdoor capability. Unlike many 3-row competitors, the Passport focuses on 2-row space with generous cargo capacity, making it perfect for weekend trips, dog hauls, and gear-packed journeys. Powered by Honda's proven V6 engine, the Passport delivers a smooth and confident driving experience. It's not a sports SUV, but it has more than enough power for highway merging and loaded weekend adventures. Available all-wheel drive enhances traction in wet or snowy conditions, giving drivers extra confidence year-round. Inside, the Passport offers comfortable seating and intuitive tech, and the cargo area, one of the largest in its class, makes it ideal for outdoor gear, large luggage, or even furniture runs from the store. Strengths: spacious cargo area, rugged build with optional AWD Honda reliability, and ease of ownership. It's best for active individuals and families who want everyday functionality without a compromise on adventure readiness. Number 4, Honda Pilot. At number 4 is another Honda, the Honda Pilot, perhaps the most well-rounded family SUV in this segment. Why the Pilot makes the list? The Honda Pilot has built its reputation on comfort, practicality, and long-term dependability. With a powerful V6 engine, smooth driving dynamics, and a roomy 3-row cabin, it's one of the most balanced midsize SUVs available. One area where the Pilot truly shines is in family usability. Second and third row seats are easily accessible and legroom is generous, even for adult passengers. The Pilot also offers a well-designed interior with a user-friendly infotainment system and thoughtful storage throughout. Safety technologies, adaptive cruise, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring are available and help make long trips less stressful. Whether you're heading to work, driving across states, or simply running errands, the Pilot delivers comfort and confidence. Strengths: strong V6 performance, spacious 3-row interior, excellent safety and comfort. It's best for families and daily drivers who want reliable performance, exceptional practicality, and long-term value. Number 3, Toyota Grand Highlander. Coming in at number 3 is a major competitor for family SUV buyers, the Toyota Grand Highlander. Why the Grand Highlander makes the list? The Toyota Grand Highlander takes everything people love about the Highlander: reliability, refinement, and efficiency, and expands it into a truly capacious midsize SUV with generous third-row seating and cargo space. Toyota built the Grand Highlander to answer the demand for a midsize SUV that doesn't compromise on comfort or capability. Its cabin is modern, quiet, and thoughtfully designed, with high-quality materials and user-friendly tech. Advanced safety systems come standard, and hybrid drivetrain options deliver impressive fuel efficiency without sacrificing power. The driving experience here is smooth, composed, and refined, perfect for daily driving and long highway journeys alike. Cargo space is generous even with the third row up, making the Grand Highlander ideal for families, road trips, or hauling gear. Strengths: excellent fuel efficiency with hybrid options, spacious 3-row comfort, Toyota's legendary reliability. It's best for long-term owners and families who want efficiency, comfort, and reliability in a spacious SUV package. Number 2, Kia Telluride. At number 2 is the midsize SUV that shot to fame almost instantly, the Kia Telluride. Why the Telluride makes the list? When the Telluride launched, it shocked critics and buyers alike with its premium design, family-friendly practicality, and strong value. In 2026, it remains one of the most compelling SUVs on the market. The Telluride is roomy, comfortable, and offers plenty of standard features even in its base trim. From a powerful V6 engine to smooth handling and a composed ride, the Telluride feels more expensive than its price tag suggests. Inside, 3 rows of seating are usable by adults, and cargo space is flexible enough for large luggage or road trip gear. The infotainment system is intuitive, the interior materials are pleasant, and safety tech, including forward collision warning, lane assist, and more, is comprehensive. What makes the Telluride exceptional is how well-rounded it is. It doesn't lead in every category, but it's great in almost all of them. Strength: spacious cabin with 3-row. Versatility: premium interior, feel excellent value proposition. It's best for drivers who want a well-rounded, family-oriented SUV with everyday comfort and strong, real-world usability. Number 1, Hyundai Palisade. And now, the best mid-size SUV to own in 2026 is the Hyundai Palisade. Why the Palisade takes the top spot? The Hyundai Palisade has quietly become a segment leader thanks to its blend of refinement, comfort, technology, and overall value. In 2026, the Palisade continues to impress, and for good reason. First, the interior is one of the nicest in the class. Materials feel upscale, seating is comfortable even in long journeys, and 3-row space is generous. Hyundai's attention to detail is visible everywhere, from ambient lighting to intuitive controls. This feels like an SUV that's built for people who appreciate everyday comfort. Performance is smooth and confident, thanks to a refined powertrain that balances power and efficiency. Handling is predictable and composed, perfect for highway cruising or city traffic alike. Advanced safety tech is available and easy to use, helping make longer drives less tiring. What sets the Palisade apart from many competitors is how premium it feels for the price. It provides features and cabin quality often found in more expensive luxury SUVs. And yet it remains competitively priced with excellent warranty coverage. Above everything, the Palisade delivers on what most buyers truly want: comfort, space, technology, and dependability with no compromises. Strengths: premium interior and comfort, strong overall value, balanced performance and technology. It's best for anyone who wants a best-in-class midsize SUV experience: comfort, tech, space, and everyday usability in one compelling package. Final ownership tips for 2026 midsize SUV buyers. Choosing the right midsize SUV in 2026 isn't just about picking the most expensive option. It's about finding the one that matches your lifestyle and long-term needs. Here are a few ownership pointers. Consider your seating needs. If your family regularly travels with more than 5 people, prioritize SUVs with spacious third rows like the Palisade, Telluride, or Grand Highlander. Look at long-term cost, fuel efficiency, reliability ratings, and resale value play huge roles in total cost of ownership. Toyota and Honda historically hold strong here. Technology and safety matter. Advanced driver assistance systems are no longer optional. Features like adaptive cruise, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, and blind spot monitoring add value and confidence. Test drive in your daily routine. An SUV that feels great on paper might feel different in real life, especially on your regular roads and traffic conditions.